आज के सेशन बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ सभी से मिलने के लिए. Good morning everyone. My name is Dhiraj and I welcome each and every one of you to Vistaslearning. So in our last session we have discussed about Heron's Formula and we have also discussed few of the parts numericals that actually we have done. But in today's class the things are a bit different. How? Because in today's class we are going to see what are the possibilities and where we can apply all those things. So that is like we can simply say the application. Okay, we are going to discuss about the application of the Heron's Formula. But before that, at Vistaslearning, we believe in providing quality education to each and every one of you. Why quality education? Because getting education is not a big tough or is a tough task nowadays. But getting quality education is always been a challenge. So we have seen this thing, like we have seen students struggling for quality education because they have got the stuff, they've got the things, still they are unable to achieve their dreams, achieve the things that they want. All this can be achieved with quality. So that is the reason why we are here, to give you quality education. So go right now, like, subscribe and share because you are a part of Vistaslearning. So if you are a part of Vistaslearning, you have to keep on the revolution. So revolution should not stop. Go ahead right now, do like, subscribe and share it. So let's now start the classes. So the class was about Heron's Formula and that is our lecture number 4. Why lecture number 4? Because one of the lecture that we have already discussed was skipped because of technical issues. So we have covered it in next lecture. Okay. So the chapter is Heron's Formula and we're going to discuss about the applications today. Okay. So for that, I'll just give a small recap of the things that we have already done, studied and learned. Okay. Just change the color. We have discussed about Heron's Formula. Okay. We have discussed about Heron's Formula. You can see the board. Okay. In Heron's Formula, what we came to know, like if there's a triangle, okay, if there's a triangle, the name is A, B and C and the length of the sides are small a, small b and small c, then area will be equal to root under S, that is the semi-perimeter, S minus A, semi-perimeter minus the first side, semi-perimeter minus the second side into semi-perimeter minus the third side. So that was the formula. So what is S? That is the semi-perimeter. What do you mean by semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter means the half of the length of the perimeter. So we know that perimeter is equal to length of first side plus length of second side plus the length of third side. Means we are going to add all the three sides. You can see it over here, right? Now S will be equal to A plus B plus C by 2. You can see here half. So now we have S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Then semi-perimeter can also be written as perimeter by 2 because we know that A plus B plus C is equal to perimeter. We have got it here. You can see it. This is the part. So that is the reason why we came up with this particular formula. Okay. So few of the applications of Heron's Formula. I'll show you few of the things. So you can see that's a kite. Okay. So I know you love flying kite. So that's a kite. And when I was a kid, I was also loving flying the kite. I loved it like anybody. Okay, so like anything, I loved flying kite and I have flown lots of kite. But that time I was not so sure how they're going to find the area, how they're going to make the every kind of same measurement. I was really amazed. But now I know that's because of the area or the Heron's Formula, they can do it. So this kite has 4 sides. Let's call it A, B, C and D. So if we draw a diagonal from here or a diagonal from here, okay, what we get if we are considering this diagonal? So we'll get one triangle this and one more triangle this. So similarly, you can find the area and you'll equate because the areas are going to be the same. So that's how a kite has a perfect balance when it flies, and all thanks to Herons. Ultimately, we don't know these things, the balance and all of the things. We just know we have to tie the thread and we have to fly the kite. But that is absolutely fine. If it is not balanced, it keeps on rotating on one side. You must have seen that, right? So that is the thing why we move up with this particular things. Okay, in the meanwhile, I'll check out for the comments. How many of you guys have commented and how many of you are waiting for the class? I'll just check out the comments. Okay, I can see two. I guess my internet is not so good today. Good morning, Pooja. Good morning, Rakesh. Good morning, Vaj. Earlier you were saying 2, but now it is 3. Oh, that's great. Okay. Then let's start the session today. So now, because of Herons, we came to know that kite is a daily life example from where Heron's formula can also be found or derived. So let's look at the few of the quadrilaterals, because in the application of Heron's formula, it was restricted to quadrilaterals. Means any figure you can take. Either you can take quadrilateral, you can take polygon, you can take parallelogram, anything. If you're going to take pentagon, that has got 5 sides. If you take hexagon, that has got 6 sides. All of them can be divided into triangular part and then found the area. So that's too easy. So let's see few of the quadrilateral. First is the blackboard. Blackboard, okay. That's a quadrilateral. It has got 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and this one is the 4. Okay. The next is a table. I hope you know this table, yeah. Dining table, study table, lots of examples are there. So it has also got 4 sides. You can see. After that, we have Kaju Katli. That is the shape of a what? It is like the shape of a trapezium. Parallelogram. Yes, you can say that's a parallelogram. And we have bread. That is the shape of a square. So lots of different shapes, but all of them are quadrilateral. Let's see few of the more quadrilaterals. So what is the quadrilateral? First of all, a quadrilateral is a polygon. Polygon means closed figure. Okay, simply closed figure is called a polygon with 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. So a quadrilateral is a polygon that has got 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. So there are few of the examples actually. I'll just point them. What are they? So that is the quadrilateral. You can see it has got 4 sides: A, B, C, and D. Trapezoid or trapezium we call it. It has also got 4 sides. Then quadrilateral has kite, rhombus, square, rectangle. Then the parallelogram, trapezoid or trapezium. So it is isosceles because these 2 sides are equal in length. So like this, many quadrilateral you can form, but till now that is fine. Let's check how Heron came up with this idea. So you can see on your screen many diagrams. Okay, but one thing, all of them are quadrilateral. Okay, you cannot see the green one. So I have learned this trick from Shaktiman there. I'll move a bit aside. This time I'm not going to be small now. So here what we can see that is the trapezium. Quadrilateral. Okay. Again, that is also a quadrilateral. So all of them has got 4 sides. What Heron did was he just drew a diagonal. So it has got now 2 parts. Okay. So if it has got 2 parts, all of them are triangle now, and we can find the area very easily. Same with this, same with this, same here, same here, same here, and here. So now you can see, if I have simply drawn a diagonal, I got the quadrilateral as two triangles. Might be in some cases the area of the triangle will be same, but in some cases it will not be same. Okay, so don't get confused. You have to find it. So let's move to the question and answer. So the first question is, a quadrilateral whose sides are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and one of the diagonal is equal to 5 centimeter as per the below figure. Okay, that is the figure. The area of the quadrilateral is, we need to find the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, so let us name it as A, B, C, and D. We are going to name it as A, B, C, D. Now let's mark the side. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and that one is 5 centimeter. Now what? One of the diagonal is equal to 5 centimeter. So this diagonal is equal to 5 centimeter. We have to find the area of the quadrilateral. So you can see A, B, and D as one of the triangle, and B, C, D as one of the triangle. Okay. So what we have to do to find the area of a quadrilateral? Area of quadrilateral will be equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Okay. So if we add these two, we'll get the answer. So area of triangle ABD will be equal to how much? Root under semi-perimeter. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5 will be equal to how much? 8 plus 5. Think. 8 plus 5 will be equal to 13. So 13 by 2 into 13 by 2 minus 4. 13 by 2 minus 4 into 13 by 2 minus 5. Then I have to add one more area, that is 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 8, 13. Again 13 by 2. What it is going to be? 13 by 2 minus 5, 13 by 2 minus 5, 13 by 2 minus 3. Okay, now I'll have to become small, I guess. Okay, a bit small. Now I guess you can see clearly. So once you are going to add it, oh sorry, I guess I have deleted the things. So once you are going to add it, you'll get the answer as 15.17 square centimeter. So option B is our correct answer. Now you know how to solve it. We'll solve few of the questions, don't worry. We have lots to solve. Okay. Now, moving to the next question. And the question is, the sides of a parallelogram are 100 meter each and length of the longest diagonal is 160 meter. The area of the parallelogram is. So first let's draw a parallelogram and the longest diagonal. Okay, so we have got the things. I'll name them as A, B, C, and D. So length of AB, the side of a parallelogram are 100 meter. So all of them are 100 meter. All of them are 100 meter. And next, what we have? Longest diagonal is 160 meter. I'll just change the color. That is 160 meter. We have to find the area of a parallelogram, and that will be our answer. So how can we find it? So area of parallelogram will be equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Okay, so that perimeter S is equal to 180 meters because we need to write the unit as well. So 180 into 180 minus 160, 180 minus 100, 180 minus 100. Okay, so we have got these many things. Now we just need to add one more the same thing. So instead of adding, I'll write 2 because triangle ADB and triangle BCD is going to have equal area. Okay, so 2 into root under, let 180 be as it is. 180 minus 160 will be 20, then 80 into 80. Okay, so this thing we'll take it out very easily as 80 only, and 180 into 2, so it is equal to 360, so that will be 3600. 8 into 6 will be 8 into 6 will be equal to 48. 48 into 2 will be equal to how much? 96, and 2 more zeros. Meter square will be our answer. So answer for this question is 9600 square meter. That is option number A. So answer is option number A, the correct one. Let's move to the next question, and that is the edges of a triangular boards are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. The cost of painting. I can see VRS Rajendran. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Rajendran. Good morning, Ishwant. Hi. Rakesh says, good morning, sir. Rakesh, I have already told good morning. That's the second time. How are you, Dimple, sir? You could ask them directly. Rakesh, 13, half of 13 is 6.5. Goldberg Spear, good morning, sir. Good morning, Goldberg. I guess in WWE is also now fan of watching our math channel, and that's so good, so motivating, man. Literally. Okay, let's move to the third question, and the question is the edge of a triangular board. So let's first draw a triangle. The edges of a triangular board are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. The cost of painting it at the rate of 9 paise per centimeter square is actually 6, 8, and 10 are Pythagorean triplets. Okay, are Pythagorean triplets. Okay, so what is Pythagorean triplets? Pythagorean triplets represent that the angle here, one of the angle is going to be how much? 90 degree. Okay, so here it will be 90 degree, and we are going to take it as a right angled triangle. Okay, so in a right angled triangle, the longest side is the hypotenuse, that is this 10 centimeter, and rest are the two small sides. Can we find the area of a right angled triangle? So area of triangle will be equal to half into base into height. I can find it using Heron's formula, and that is also completely fine. But if we can identify that it is a right angle triangle, we can find it more easily. Okay, good morning. Okay, Popo is telling good morning. Sit. Already I am sitting. Popo, don't worry. I am sitting on my chair. Okay. राकेश सर क्या पढ़ाते हो आप? अरे यार वही तो मैं भी नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ कि मैं क्या पढ़ाता हूँ. Okay. So here, I guess it's fine, you understood. So again, area तो खोजना है, इसका वैल्यू होगा half into base. Base हम लोगों ने कितना लिया है? क्या इसे base ले सकते हैं? Because that is opposite of 90 degrees. So no. So either 8 or 6. So I'll take 6 as a base and height is 8. The answer will be 3. So 2 3s are 6. It's 24 what? Centimeter square. Now the main thing will come here. So the thing is that we need to find the cost of painting. तो cost का फॉर्मूला आपको याद होगा, हम लोगों ने डिस्कशन किया ही है, बहुत बार डिस्कशन किया. cost is equal to area into rate. That is the formula. area into rate. area कितना निकला अपना? 24. rate कितना है? 9 पैसे. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है? So 24 into 9 कितना होगा? मल्टीप्लाई करके जल्दी से लिख देना है. एंड 9 पैसे थे ना, So 216 पैसा आएगा एंड वी नो दैट 100 पैसे इज इक्वल टू 1 रुपीज. ओके, तो अगर मैं इसे 100 से डिवाइड करूं तो पैसे को मैं रुपीज में कन्वर्ट कर सकता हूं. तो कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू 2.16 रुपीज और ये मेरा आंसर होने वाला है. तो आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, जो कितना है 2.16 रुपीज है. बस 2 रुपए में आपका पेंट हो जाएगा, 2 रुपए 16 पैसे में. ओके, क्योंकि मैथ से हम लोग को स्पेसिफिक होना पड़ता है. ओके, आई गेस विद दैट वी केम टू एंड ऑफ आवर सेशन. आई गेस आपने भी सेशन एंजॉय किया होगा. कुछ खास ज्यादा बड़ा तो था नहीं, क्योंकि हम लोगों का जो एप्लीकेशन का जो मेन क्वेश्चंस का पार्ट है वो नेक्स्ट सेशन में आएगा. बट आज के सेशन में हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा कि वो फिगर कैसा भी हो, अगर मैं उस फिगर में कहीं पर भी लाइन ज्वाइन करके ट्राइंगल बना सकता हूँ, देन यस, अगर ट्राइंगल बन सकता है तो हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला लग सकता है. और अगर हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला लग सकता है तो दैट्स सो इजी फॉर अस टू फाइंड द आंसर. तो आई होप आपको मजा आया ही होगा. आप जल्दी से, Your name is always late. Okay. तो आई होप आपको मजा आया होगा सेशन को अटेंड करने में. बट इसके साथ आज के सेशन का एंड यही होता है. आई होप यू आर सब्सक्राइबिंग एंड शेयरिंग द थिंग्स, बिकॉज मैंने बोला जीतने का मजा तब आता है जब सामने वाला अपने लेवल का हो. जब हमें शॉर्ट पता होता है कि मैं जीतने वाला हूं, तो जीत तो जाओगे बट मजा नहीं आएगा उतना जितना एक्चुअली आना चाहिए था, है कि नहीं. जैसे मान लो बचपन में हम लोगों ने क्या किया था, हम लोग जाते थे और घर के बगल अमरूद या आम का पेड़ होता था, उससे अमरूद या आम तोड़कर खाते थे. जब हम तोड़कर खाते थे ना, उसका जो टेस्ट है वो ज्यादा अच्छा लगता था. जबकि हम लोग बाजार से खरीद के खाते थे, उसका टेस्ट उतना मजा नहीं आता था, क्योंकि वो खुद का मेहनत का फल होता था. इसीलिए अगर आपको अच्छा बनना, बेस्ट बनना है, तो आपके कॉम्पिटिटर भी बेस्ट होने चाहिए, क्योंकि आप उनसे ज्यादा अच्छे बन सको. ओके, तो इसके साथ मैं आज का सेशन एंड करता हूं. बाय बाय and keep learning.